How to use Google Lens app to solve maths problem. Are guys facing issues to use Google Lens app to solve maths problem? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Google app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now just simply tap on this Google Lens icon. After you click on it, now place this camera to the maths question. Once you place it, now click on search bar. So as you guys can see, Google Lens has provided answer for our question. That's it guys, that's how we're gonna solve our maths problem on Google Lens. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Google Lens, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.